If you're searching for the current Coursera limited offer and want to know exactly how to get the discount, this quick guide explains how the promotion works and how you can activate the deal step by step. And before we continue, there's a link in the description that takes you directly to the official Coursera Plus offer page so you can check whether the discount is still available. Right now, Coursera is offering a limited time promotion where eligible new subscribers can get Coursera Plus for $14.40 per month instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. According to the official Coursera page, the offer is available for a limited time and is expected to end on May 31st. So here's how to get the Coursera limited offer. First, open the official discount link in the description below. Once you land on the Coursera Plus page, you should see the discounted monthly price already applied automatically. In most cases, you do not need to manually enter a coupon or promo code because the promotional link activates the deal directly. Next, create a Coursera account or sign into your existing account. After that, choose the Coursera Plus monthly subscription and continue to checkout. Before completing payment, make sure the discounted price is still visible on the screen. Once your payment is complete, your Coursera Plus subscription becomes active immediately. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 online courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from companies and universities like Google, IBM, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. This is one reason why many people choose Coursera Plus instead of purchasing individual courses separately. If you plan to complete multiple certificates during the year, the subscription can save a lot of money over time. You can also freely explore different topics like AI, programming, business, cybersecurity, marketing, data science, and project management without paying for each course individually. Coursera also includes certificates for eligible completed programs, which many learners use to improve resumes and LinkedIn profiles. If you want to check whether the current Coursera limited offer is still active in your country, use the official Coursera Plus link in the description below before the promotion expires.